Hi guys, I'm Ruben, the person on your screen. Ow! Here to show you a one-click site recreating machine. We had one for images. We had one for humans. Okay, actually, this one we're still testing. And now we have one for websites. We have our website, tenweb.io. And now we'll have a WordPress copy of our website. You're probably wondering if the site recreating machine is any good. Well, it's fucking lit.
To hell with manual work!
See a site you like, copy the site, change up the site. Try the link below to test it out for free.
The human copying machine works!
You look good today. Thanks. You too.